Welcome to the Microsoft Cloud Option webinar series. My name is Vivek Bhatnagar. I am a CTO and founder for UnifyCloud. Once you have digital state and also has like alignment for the implementation team and also that from the governance team, the next step is to take this knowledge and build a cloud option plan. And as simply that a cloud option plan is essential. It's very essential requirement for successful cloud adoption, and a lot more time people mm, miss this cloud option plan in detail, and then they face very difficult choices as they move into this journey. A cloud option plan is again a very iterative process. It's not just once written in the stone. Like it's very iterative. You can run it for even smaller workloads or 10 workloads or maybe 5 workloads, and then help the company transition from traditional IT approaches to the modern and agile approaches. This slide just outline um, like various steps or various like how you can build this plan, but it is actually a process. You have to go through this process. You have to again go through your business objectives that you have listed down while strategy, and how those business outcome or business objectives are going to drive your technical strategy. And here, like the prerequisite is the first part, one of the most important part. Here you need to make sure that the business prerequisite and technical prerequisites are achieved before you start building this plan. And typically business side of objectives, like why actually we are moving to the cloud. So as I stressed a lot, like this understanding of why is very critical. Then what results do we expect once we are on the running on the cloud or modernize on cloud? And lastly, how the business going to measure our success? Like, once you finish the project, how are you going to measure? These are the three important questions, and every member of the cloud implementation team and the governance team should able to answer these questions. That, for example, again, I'm repeating why we are doing cloud modernization. Second one, like what results are expected and how those results are measured in business community. So this is our business. And then we have a lot of technical prerequisites, and typical technical prerequisites are like, have you done the digital state rationalizations? Do you have organization alignment in place? Do you have skills in place to do it? So these are the prerequisites. And defining and prioritizing workload, again, this is a complex process where you go through each and every workload and look at like from top to bottom approach, or from other approaches, define how complex it is and where it will go. Then align assets for those. For example, if you are moving an application, you need to see that which VMs and other things are supporting that application, so you can group them together and move it. And then review the complete plan in different groupings of assets and how they are moving. And for each type, whenever they move, how much is going to cost to you in Azure, and how is this still as per your understanding and justification. And then repeat this process again and again, and put it on a timeline so that you can manage the whole thing in a process.